Good day, digital explorers. It's your favorite tech guru, Big Poppa Code, back in the lab. Today we're diving deep into a topic that sounds straight out of a cyber thriller, ransomware. Ever wondered what happens when your precious data is kidnapped and held hostage? Welcome to the world of ransomware. Imagine for a moment you've locked all your life's memories, from your first bicycle ride to that goofy graduation photo, in a cherished chest. Suddenly, a sly fox sneaks in, locks your chest, and demands gold coins to hand you back the key. It feels heart-wrenching and deeply unfair. But this isn't just a fictional scenario, it mirrors a digital reality many face today. In the expansive realm of cyberspace, ransomware operates similarly. It's a type of malicious software that blocks access to your files or even threatens to make them public unless a ransom is paid. While some versions of ransomware might just lock you out of your computer, the advanced variants employ something called crypto-viral extortion. This technique encrypts or scrambles your files in such a way that you can't read them without a special decryption key. Paying the ransom might provide the decryption key, allowing access to files again. However, it's a risky game. There's no guarantee the attacker will hold up their end. The history of ransomware resembles a villain's origin and evolution in movies. It first appeared in 1989 with the AIDS Trojan. Since then, its use has exploded globally. In the first half of 2018 alone, there were 181.5 million ransomware attacks, a 229% increase from 2017. WannaCry, the infamous worm of 2017, spread between computers without user interaction, showing that nobody is completely safe from such threats. However, our cunning fox didn't halt its innovation at just locking digital chests. It found more sophisticated methods of deploying its malicious intents. This malware often appears as a genuine file that a user might consider downloading, or might be concealed in a deceptive email attachment. But once inside your device, the ransomware gets to work, holding your data hostage. So how does this nefarious code function? It's like a plot from a classic spy movie. The attacker devises a secret key pair and embeds the public key in the malware before releasing it into the digital wild. Upon infecting a device, the malware conjures up a random key, encrypts the victim's data, and holds it hostage. The only way to unlock it? The attacker's private key. It's vital to recognize that these attacks aren't just about direct extortion. Some strains of ransomware will even attempt to guilt or shame users into paying up. These versions might flash fake warnings, feigning to be from law enforcement agencies, claiming the user has engaged in illegal online activities. Such scare tactics only add to the user's anxiety, making them more likely to pay. And when it comes to the actual payment, the perpetrators often display a cunning sense of adaptation. Payments are typically demanded in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Why? Because cryptocurrencies are decentralized and hard to trace, ensuring the attacker's identity remains concealed. The costs of ransomware attacks go beyond the ransom amount paid. The impact includes downtime, lost productivity, panic, reputation damage, and missed opportunities. In 2020, remediating a ransomware attack cost an average of $761,106, covering downtime, personnel expenses, device costs, network disruption, missed opportunities, and any ransom paid. Paying the ransom doesn't guarantee data restoration or protection from future attacks. However, there is hope in the digital realm. Regular software updates, skepticism toward unknown emails and attachments, and regular data backups can strengthen defenses against such attacks. In this vast expanse of the internet, it's indeed a digital tug of war. Knowledge, awareness, and vigilance are the pillars on which we can rely to ensure our data remains safe and out of the clutches of the proverbial sly fox. In the end, it's crucial to remember, while threats like ransomware will continue to evolve, so will the methods to combat them. The digital realm is dynamic, with both challenges and solutions emerging concurrently. The best defense in this ever-evolving cyber battleground is a robust defense. And as always, for those who are enthusiastic about diving deep into the world of technology and cyber threats, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this knowledge with fellow technology enthusiasts. Until the next exploration, keep those brackets in line and may your code be ever bug-free. P.S. Don't forget to check out me and my friends on the Deeper Than Code podcast, available on all major podcasting platforms. Peace.